Right, so there was a little topic I kind of dwelled on right before starting this new episode, right? So that was the vacuole. Turns out the vacuole is very similar to what a lysosome does, right? So essentially what it does, they all waste goes through here before it exits the cell. Sorry about that. Right before it exits the cell. Also, right before I move on, endocytosis and exocytosis is when a vesicle fuses with the cell membrane and then no it fuses with the cell membrane and then it releases its contents to the outside. And endocytosis, oh, by the way, that's why it's called exit, get it? Yeah. Anyways, endocytosis is where it kind of does the same thing but inside with other membranes. To be specific, endocytosis is many vesicles. I mean, by the way, did I mention it was a vesicle? Yeah, vesicles fused with, yeah, okay, anyways. Endocytosis, almost the same thing like exocytosis, but it's slightly different, right? So instead of fusing with the cell membrane and releasing its contents to the outside, what it does, it's made in the Golgi apparatus, which is here, and the endoplasmic reticulum. Or they could also be made from parts of the cell membrane. Just, well, wait, hold on. I think I've just, you see, I kind of blundered myself. I'm not entirely sure now. Because, they could be made here, here, or here, which is the cell membrane. And isn't exocytosis made for the cell membrane? Wait, let me double check. Right, so it turns out exocytosis is where it fuses with cell membrane and releases its contents to the outside. Yeah, but so if it's doing endocytosis, that means it isn't releasing its contents to the outside, I assume. Right, so let me continue. Give me a second. Right, so next two episodes probably gonna be that and that. Right, anyways, that's essentially it for the animal cell. I also haven't mentioned what a transport protein does. Yeah, that's gonna come in the next episode. See you then.